In NBA 2K25, the green release system is your key to achieving perfect shot timing. When you nail the timing perfectly, you'll see a distinctive green flash that significantly boosts your shot success rate. A green release indicates perfect timing and dramatically increases your shooting percentage, regardless of how contested the shot is or your player's shooting attributes. This makes mastering the timing crucial for competitive play. NBA 2K25 offers extensive customization options for your shot feedback. You can modify visual animations, audio cues, and screen placement to match your personal preferences and playing style. To access these customization options, you need to navigate through the game's settings menu. First, go to the main settings menu from the game's home screen. Next, navigate to the gameplay section. Then look for the shot feedback option. This is where you'll find all the controls for customizing your green release experience. The game offers various green release animations that you can unlock and customize. These visual effects range from classic green flashes to more elaborate animations that suit different playing styles. The shooting settings also include timing profiles that affect how the green release system responds to your input. The difficulty-based profile adjusts the timing window based on your selected game difficulty level. Experimenting with different feedback settings is essential to finding what works best for your playing style. Some players prefer minimal visual feedback to avoid distractions, while others benefit from prominent animations and audio cues. NBA 2K25 offers extensive customization options for your shot feedback system. You can personalize animations, sounds, and placement to match your playing style and preferences. First, let's explore the 5 main animation styles available for your green release feedback. Each style offers a different visual experience when you achieve perfect shot timing. Classic green provides the traditional bright green flash that most players recognize. Neon burst creates an energetic starburst effect. Flame effect adds fiery visuals for dramatic flair. Lightning strike delivers electric-themed feedback. Minimal offers subtle confirmation for competitive players who want clean visuals. Audio feedback is equally important for shot timing. NBA 2K25 offers 5 distinct sound options to accompany your perfect releases. Traditional swish provides the classic basketball net sound. Electronic beep offers a clean digital confirmation. Cash register adds a satisfying money sound for made shots. Crowd cheer gives you audience reaction audio. Silent mode removes all audio feedback for players who prefer visual-only confirmation. Placement settings determine where your shot feedback appears on screen. This is crucial for maintaining clear vision during gameplay while still receiving timing confirmation. Center screen places feedback directly in your field of view. Upper third keeps it visible but out of the action area. Lower third positions it near shooting controls. Corner placement moves it to screen edges. Custom coordinates allow precise positioning anywhere you prefer. Professional NBA 2K players have developed specific preferences based on competitive gameplay needs. Understanding these choices can help optimize your own setup. Professional players typically choose minimal animations to avoid visual distractions during competitive play. They rely heavily on audio cues and position feedback in the upper right corner to maintain clear sight lines while shooting. Here's how these settings appear in the actual NBA 2K25 interface. The shot feedback menu provides easy access to all customization options. To customize your shot feedback, navigate to Settings, then Gameplay, then Shot Feedback. From there, you can modify visual animations, audio settings, and placement options to create your perfect setup. Testing your configuration in practice mode is essential. This allows you to experience how your chosen settings feel during actual gameplay without the pressure of competitive matches. Remember that the best shot feedback setup is the one that helps you perform consistently. Start with default settings, then gradually adjust based on your playing style. Audio feedback typically responds faster than visual, making it valuable for competitive play. Experiment with different combinations until you find what works best for your shooting rhythm.